You are all welcome back to Predict once again. Here, as we all know, we share the best betting tips and strategies that can surely help you to win your sports bets successfully every day. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, then you turn on the post notification so that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to watch that particular video. So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys +4 sure winning odds. Yesterday, I gave you guys +3 sure winning odds, and only Arsenal spoiled that ticket. Only Arsenal spoiled that ticket. We stick for Arsenal to win or draw their game against PSG, but they lost that particular game. So without wasting my time, let's dive into today's video and let me give out the predictions and the matches that I have selected for you guys for today. And I will also give you the analysis that back that particular prediction. So without wasting my time, let's dive into today's video. So the first match on our list is a match in the Norwegian League, and this particular match is between Viking FK versus FK Hogsand. Sorry if I didn't mention the name well. We have predicted this particular game straight win for Vikings. We have predicted this particular game to be a straight win for Vikings. So let me show you the reasons why I think that Vikings will surely win this particular game. So let's go to start. After we go to start, we can see the form of the both teams. Vikings is having 87% form. FK is having 47% form. And when you check the league table standings, you can see that Vikings is on the 4th position and the away team is on the 16th position. When you check the last 5 matches of both teams, you can see that Vikings have won 4 games out of the 5 and they have drawn 1 game out of the 5. And if you check the away team, you can see that they have won 2 out of the 5 games that they have played. They have lost 2 out of the 5 and they have drawn 1 out of the 5. So this shows that Vikings is having the upper hand to win this particular match. And when you scroll down a little bit and you check the last 5 matches that both teams have played together, you can see that Vikings have won 4 out of the 5 games. Vikings have won 4 out of the 5 games, and this tells you that Vikings is going to win this particular game against FK Hogsand. So now let's move to the next game on our list. And the next game on our list is a match in the AFC Champions League Elite, and this particular match we have predicted for Al Nassr Club to win this particular game against Kawasaki Frontale. And let me show you the reasons why we have predicted for Al Nassr to win this particular game against Kawasaki Frontale. So let's go to stats. And when you scroll down, you can see the form of the both teams. Al Nassr Club is having 80% form and Kawasaki Frontale is having 40% form. And when you check the last 5 matches of the home team, that is Al Nassr, they have won 4 out of the 5 and they have lost only 1 game. And when you check the last 5 matches of the away team, that is Kawasaki Frontale, they have won only 1 game, draw 3, and they have lost 1. And they haven't played any match together. But if you check the form and the recent 5 games that both teams have played, you can see that Al Nassr Club is having the upper hand to win this particular game, and they are also playing at home, and home advantage will count. So we have predicted for Al Nassr Club to win this particular game successfully. Now let's move to the next game on our list. The next game on our list is a match that is coming up under the UEFA Champions League, and this match is between Barcelona versus Inter Milan. So if you check the form of Barcelona, you can see that they are having 80% form. If you check the form of Inter Milan, they are having 27% form. When you check the last 5 matches of Barcelona, you can see that they have won 4 out of the 5 and they have lost only 1 game. And when you check Inter Milan, they have lost 3, won 1, and they have drew only 1 game. And when you check the last 5 matches that both teams have played together, you can see that Barcelona, they have won 2 out of the 5 games. They have won 2 out of the 5 games. Inter Milan have won 1 out of the 5 games, and 2 out of the 5 games ended draw. So going for this particular match to end double chance for Barcelona is a good prediction, because if you check the form and the recent matches that both teams have played, you can see that Barcelona is having the upper hand to win this particular game, and they are playing at home. Home advantage will surely count. So given this particular match, home or draw double chance is a good prediction that can surely help us to win our sports bets successfully today. Now let's move to the next match on our list, or the last but one match on our list. So the last but one match on our list is a match in the Egyptian League, and this particular match is between Petrojet FC versus Al Ali Egypt. Petrojet FC versus Al Ali Egypt. And when you check the form of the both teams, you can see that the home team, that is Petrojet FC, is having 40% form. Al Ali is also having 60% form. And when you check on the table, you can see that Al Ali is on the second position, and Petrojet is also at the 8th position. When you check Petrojet's last 5 matches that they have played, they have won only 2 games and they have lost 3 out of the 5 games. And when you check the last 5 matches of Al Ali, they have won 2 games and they have drawn 3 games out of the 5 games. When you scroll down a little bit and you check the last 5 matches that both teams have played together, you can see that all of the 5 games, Al Ali have won all the 5 games. So going for this particular match to be straight win for Al Ali Egypt is a good prediction that can surely help us to win our sports bet successfully. So this match between Petrojet FC versus Al Ali Egypt in the Egyptian League, we have predicted this particular game to end straight win for Al Ali Egypt. Straight win for Al Ali Egypt. So now let's move to the last match on our list. And before we move to the last match on our list, make sure that you use just 30 seconds of your time to subscribe to this particular channel. So that was still my time. Let's move to the last match on our list. The last match on our list is a match in the Egyptian Premier League, and this match is between Haras El Hudud versus Pyramids. And when you check the form of both teams, you can see that the home team is having 0% form. They are on the 9th position. And when you check Pyramids, they are having 53% form and they are on the 1st position. When you check the last 5 matches of the home team, that is Haras El Hudud, they have lost all the 5 games. If you check the last 5 matches of Pyramids, they have won 2, lost 1, and drew 2. When you scroll down to find the last 5 matches that both teams have played together, you can see that Pyramids have won 4 out of the 5 games and El Hudud have won only 1 game. So going for this particular match to be a straight win for Pyramids is a good prediction that can surely help us to win our sports bets successfully today. So these are the 5 matches that we have selected for today. And this is the booking code. AJNZVF. AJNZVF. This is the booking code. Kindly stake it, and I can assure you that you will surely win your sports bet successfully today. Here is Predict. We share the best betting tips and strategies that can surely help you to win your sports bet successfully every day. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, then you turn on the post notification so that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to watch that particular video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share these videos to many people. Have a great day. Good luck and goodbye.